you have to check on your partners. It's a big thing to even ask them how they are. Like, don't ever neglect the fact. Don't be so focused also just on the baby. Please also check on the moms. There is like high chance that you see that they're okay but they're really struggling. Ang laking bagay yung how are you? Okay ka pa ba? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong? Or kung bibisita kayo sa mga bata, utang na loob, bisitahin na rin yung mga nanay. Hindi enough na binibisita nyo lang yung baby. Cute ang babies. Pero isipin nyo yung nanay, pinagdaanan ng nanay, okay? Malala. Like, I had no time na humilata, humiga, or just to listen to my body. Ang daming nangyari sa katawan ko. Do you know the emotional trauma you go through na di ka na nga natutulog, nagre-recover ka pa, I lacked sleep until this day. So it's like, ang daming pumapasok sa utak mo, plus you have to tend to another kid that also needs your love and affection.